Grandma, what's happening today?
This is like Rambo on ice, and my granddaughter's holding me hostage because I can't get the right type of ice or the right type of towel to make her happy. And so we've been doing this sweet little angel.
Mika, are you giving Grandma
very much.
Are you giving Grandma a hard time
And
today?
she has been giving me So this sweet little girl has been wanting me to sit with her, but she sits down for a nanosecond and then she has to get up again and run the table wild, huh, Mika? Is that what you wanted, Mama?
Mika, did you cut your long hair today?
Yeah.
Yeah? Did you have a haircut today?
No.
Say,
Mika, was there a fly in your house?
oh, tell her about the fly.
No, hi.
Was there a fly in your house?
Say, no flies in Grandma's house.
No, hi.
No flies in Grandma's house. Say, we know.
What are you drinking, bourbon?
Pretty soon, it's coming. Telling you. We're getting ready
Are we getting tea party? Is happening
We're just-
here?
Keep hugging.
We're just getting ready for whatever comes. I don't know if this is part of it
Grandma,
or
maybe
not.
you should take a hit.
That's a good idea. You know. Grandma now.
Night, night, Grandma. Look at
This is what gets me through the day every day.
push button, Grandma. Mika, what happened here?
Oh,
happened to all the
Mika, it
ice?
stays on this side. It stays on that side, okay? Thank you for listening to Grandma. Thank you for listening. You've done a very good job. Look at you.
September 22nd, 2011.
There.
Just a regular Saturday.
This is just every day.
Mika's in preschool. And Mika, who are you in love with?
I got Caitlin.
You like Caitlin, but who do you love?
I got Brandon.
You love Brandon? Is Brandon a boy or a girl?
Grandma loves you, Mika.
The look at water. Okay. I get some water.
You got some water?
Do
Do you think that we should put this on the computer so Grandma and Daddy can see your new hair? You think that would be a good
Your
idea?
beautiful hair.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're not going to believe your new haircut.
Hope Daddy is okay with me cutting your hair.
She looks like a beautiful little
Mika, can you
girl.
sing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star for us? How does it go?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
No.
How...
No, no, no.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
I don't do that.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Don't do that, Grandma.
Well then you show me how to do it, Mika. Show Grandma how to do it.
You
oh yeah.
sing song for more ice.
No.
Sing song for more. You want more ice? Sing song. Ready? Go.
Okay.
Okay, here it goes. Here it goes. Bring it on. Oh yeah. Bring it on. Oh yeah. Bring it on. Here she goes. Oh yeah.
It's got
Oh,
injury
yeah.
written all over it.
Oh yeah. Bring it on.
Cheese.
Cheese. Cheese.
Cheese, glorious cheese. I'm so glad you're resting, Grandma.
I want that.
You'll probably find
love
Grandma in 4 days, okay?
Mika, how about ABCs then?
She doesn't know ABCs, does she?
Tell Grandma.
Does she know
A, D, C, D.
E, F, G, H, I, J, K,
I have
L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S,
water. Okay.
You want some water?
U,
Okay.
V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Mika, did Grandma do a good job? Mika, say goodbye to the camera.
Goodbye, Tanya.
Goodbye, camera. Grandma, say goodbye to the camera.
Goodbye, camera. We love you.
Go say goodbye one more time, Mika.
Goodbye.
Mika,
See you.
tell the camera why you need a car seat.
I need coffee to a bus.
When are you On what day?
Go.
On Monday.
There